So, buti yung number 2, Miss Genola Atlas. So, kasama ka ba today? Sino kasama mo?
Family ko po, classmates.
Andito ba sila? Asan kaya? Pwede mo kayo turo? Ayun. So, parang familiar, parang familiar. So, ready ka na ba sa question mo? Your motto is do not do unto others what you don't want others do unto you. How do you try to live by this in your daily life?
This golden rule, this golden rule, this golden rule guides me to treat everybody with kindness and respect. I practice it daily by being mindful of my words. I make sure my actions and words reflect the care and consideration I would want in return, fostering positivity and harmony in my daily life. Thank you.